In this video, we will see how to reset your Fisher and Paykel dishwasher. If you find any error code, so you can perform the reset. So this is our first step to fix the error. Okay. So guys, first of all, we discuss about when to reset. Dishwasher would not start, cycle stop unexpectedly, error code on the display, button not responding, unusual beeping or light blinking, and after the power outage. Okay, for reset, first of all guys, open the door, open the dishwasher door. After open, cancel the cycle, press and hold the start and pause button for 3 seconds, then power off to turn on the dishwasher. After power off, wait at least 1 minute to control to full reset. Okay, then press the power button again to turn the dishwasher back on. Okay. Another thing is guys, there are some common error code that are mostly arrived. First one is E1. So guys, E1 means water fill out, so you check water supply and the inlet. Second, E2 means drain fault, check the drain hose and the filter. Another thing is guys, E3, which is check for the overflow or the float switches. E4 for the water and not heating properly. E5 motor or the wash system issue. E6 control the board communication error. Okay, then guys, if you want to full reset, so guys, first of all, power off at wall, turn off all the dishwasher at the wall, switch or circuit break. Okay, then wait for 5 minutes to allow the system to full discharge, then turn the power back on the wall and open the door and press the power button and select the power cycle. Okay, so these are the things that you can done. And button, here are some button references. If the button symbol like this is the power button, then start and pause button, cancel button, high temperature button and the delay start button. Okay, and if you still having the issue, so guys, here you see that you can contact with the support team. Simply click on the link and you directly go to the website. Here you see Fisher and the Paykel, and here you see, here check product registration. Okay, so here you see book your services and you just click, and this is the way guys that you can done. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.